Now departing is is a brand new Mercedes-Benz CITARO buses. And yes guys, if you'd like to see my Leeds review I did on one of these, please check it out. I was sit by the motor, and this is actually the route that I took, guys. So now leaving is a 7 to WEATHERBY fast than Leeds. This is the exact bus that I went on. The number, no, not the same number, I don't think, but it's the same route. And at the moment the semaphore signal is still up. And away she goes. So far the semaphore signal's up, so there should be another service bound for York. There hasn't been a train coming in for Leeds as on yet. Also just backed out is the 1B. Again, a brand new Mercedes-Benz CITARO buses. And she is on the 1B to KNARESBOROUGh. That's right guys, KNARESBOROUGh. And away she goes. And away she goes. Now backing out, here we goes guys. Now backing out is it again, the 36. Also bound for Leeds. So yes guys, I believe there's 5 buses on this circuit today from what I've seen. Transdev, I'm glad you're putting on 5 buses to keep the service going, so well done. Oh, now departing is another service bound for York. No, yes, York.